Welcome to FastEddy Bearings. It's been, I think, 5, maybe 6 years since I've done my last build video. And we are going to be a little bit rusty here, but we're going to do a page-by-page build of the Associated DR10. And when I mean page by page, we're going to build it live, page by page, part by part, using part numbers and going directly from the manual. This can be challenging sometimes because sometimes I read the manual wrong, and sometimes the manuals are wrong. But either way, we're going to make our way through this build. And it's going to be page by page, and we're going to do several different installments of the video. Along the way, we're going to talk about life as I see it. You know, there's a lot of time while we're building that we're going to be building. So we are going to start off with the DR10, and I opened it up, but I haven't taken it apart or dug into the bags or anything yet. Since this is my video, we are going to be using the FastEddy bearings for the build on this. We offer two separate kits. One is the standard kit, and the other is a ceramic kit. And it just all depends upon your level of driving that you're going to be doing as to which kit that you're going to want to get. Either one of them is a large upgrade over the bearings that come with the original kit. So we do suggest that you get a kit of bearings when you buy your kit. The DR10 is offered in two different configurations, or actually more than that. But you can get a ready to run, which has all of the electronics, your radio, servos, receiver, everything that you need in order to take it out of the box and run. This is a builder's kit. And when we say a builder's kit, it is a roller. So it is going to have everything that you need except for electronics. So no radio, receiver, or servos, no electronic speed controller or motor. So this is all there for you to choose, and you can buy whatever level it is that you want for what you're going to be racing or bashing or just out having fun. So the other thing that this kit does not include are wheels and tires. So we're going to build it directly as it comes out of the box without wheels, tires, or electronics. So I guess we'll get started here by saying that you're going to need some tools. And what we have here, and I'm kind of freaky about my tools, is the tools that we're going to be using. It's a very simple set. We have nut drivers that are here. We have regular metric hex drivers by hand, and we also have them for the drill, which we'll use upon occasion. We have a set of clippers because we have to take stuff off of trees, a knife, and a pair of pliers. There may be more stuff as we go along, but for right now, this is what we have. I'm real freaky about my stuff. I use a tool, and then when I'm done with it, I put it away, and I just have this little magnet holder that keeps everything in place so that it's not rolling around my desk. So as you see me using the tools, this is what we're going to be using, and there's going to be links below that show where you can get all the stuff and the tools that I'm using. So we're going to push those out of the way, and the kit is the DR10, and it is the drag race car kit. Like I said, it is a builder's kit, and this was purchased. Was not donated. I buy all the stuff that I do and use for my builds. I buy it myself so that I can be very honest about the build as we're doing it. This one I purchased from A-Main. Again, there'll be a link in the list, a link below for you if you would like to go ahead and buy one. So let's get started. We'll open it up, and we have a very large bag. How's that? We also had the directions, which were included in another bag here, which has the stickers, and it also looks like a bag of spare parts that we may use or we may not. Also has a star wrench in there, and it also comes with, it looks like an Allen wrench in case you don't have tools. So we'll go ahead and pull all this stuff out of the way. We'll get rid of the box, and we'll put the stickers and spare parts in the box. We'll go ahead and open the bag up here and see what we have. So we have a bag 10, 13, 5. I guess these will go all in order. So it looks like the bags are separated very nicely. Oh, there are wheels in here. I didn't know there were wheels. I guess that means we just need to buy tires. But looks like all the bags are separated real nice. And we'll use them as we go along. So let's see here. We have the chassis, which is actually very stiff. Nice to see that. The plastic that they used is, looks like it's really nice plastic. So we have the chassis and all of the bags. So what I'm going to do is get the directions ready, dig out the parts we're going to need for the first steps, and we will start to build.